here this morning fishing. Filled my boat full of these guys, Blue Gills. I've just been catching them and letting them go. They like the nip spinner with a little white worm or brown worm on it. They can't resist it. You know, I'm gonna get him in the boat and let him go. All right, well, kind of getting busy out here with the power boats. I think I might head on back to the dock. Got other things to do today. It's been a pretty nice float here this morning. Caught some fish. Didn't keep any. I elected to just toss them back. But good morning here anyway. Yeah, looks like the wind's going to come up. I got it up my back here, so it's going to be a fast paddle back to the boat belt. Here we go. There's a guy out here with a huge boat, a lot bigger boat than this lake should have on it, but put a pretty good wake here. Had to kind of change my direction here to ride these waves so I'm not going sideways to them. There, I think they died out a little bit. I don't know, I think this is either my fourth or fifth paddle for the year. It's Mother's Day, so heading back in. Got some other activities to do today. But, out here kind of early this morning. Caught some fish. Paddling this kayak is a good upper body workout. Okay. Right there's the dock. And that's it.